Apple TV Plus growth slows in the U.S. while Netflix loses first place. How's Netflix going to lose first place?
I was very surprised. Can you guess? Which streaming platform?
For growth or for overall users?
This is for growth.
For growth.
Yeah.
Who's got like a hot show right now? I don't even know. I don't even know all the other streaming services. I mean, I guess you got the HBO, you got the Disney, and you got the Amazon.
Yeah.
Those come to my mind.
Uh-huh. They're kind of all there.
They're all there, but then I remember reading Disney was slowing down a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
So maybe I'll go with Amazon?
You are correct.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Yeah.
The Amazon Prime Video just barely edging out Netflix. I don't really watch a lot of it, but I know they're launching shows. I see them promote stuff. I see pre-roll videos, and they got a show coming out that is supposed to get your attention. What's the big show that they're doing right now?
I have no idea.
Well,
maybe
that's
someone in the audience.
Someone tell us what the show they're promoting right now on, because I'll remember it as soon as you say it, on Amazon Prime. But again, the thing about Prime, which is not really fair, is the fact that there's other advantages to Prime. Prime does other things for you besides content.
Sure, yeah.
And so there's kind of like a baked-in double value proposition over there.
Mm-hmm.
In a new Just Watch research data, Apple TV Plus remained responsible for 6% of the streaming platform market share in the U.S. So these numbers, by the way, we're talking about total market share. The number is the same as the previous research results. But while Apple TV Plus barely grew, other streaming platforms gained more subscribers. Netflix used to be the streaming platform with the most users in the U.S., but that has changed recently. In the latest ranking, Netflix now second place with 20% of market share, coming right behind Amazon Prime Video at 21%. Another impressive growth was that of Paramount Plus. Their share increased 4 to 7, overtaking Apple TV Plus. Wow, you don't realize how small Apple's product is at the moment. Mm-hmm. Comparatively, for a giant like they are.
They have a lot of originals, too.
What is the problem with that? Like, why is it that hasn't taken... Are their shows no good? Are you watching those shows?
No, I have not.
Yeah.
But are they good? I'm not too sure. I'll give it a shot.
I feel like they were giving them awards, and I feel like... But I don't know how all that stuff works. Like award shows and... Anyway, so here's the list. Prime Video, 21%. Netflix, 20% of the market. Disney Plus, 15%. HBO Max, 14%. Hulu, 11%. Paramount Plus, 7%. Apple TV Plus, 6%. And the others grouped together equate to 6%. Now, you can see a nice little infograph if you prefer the colors and stuff. I don't know what is... Oh, here we go. Here, because I was wondering, is this like amount of time watched, subscribers? Like, what is it really... It's the measured interest in SVOD services on Just Watch in the United States. Interest? It's a survey. Surveys are surveys. But no doubt, those are your major players. And for the first time, I guess, Netflix gets dethroned by Prime Video. Yeah. This clip you just watched is sponsored by LaterCase. If you have been looking for an impossibly thin case to put on your brand new smartphone, you need to check out LaterCase, available for both Android and iPhone. Check the description of this clip in order to get a special offer.